Ai, namkena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. And of course, yeah, ita ikhiwula like Gagash. Lo ingata ikhingu linka vele vele na Metro Beats. Yeah, and then from there still the same Gagash ita ikhingu linka. Yeah, na Benny Mayengan the president. Not artist Gaza, about 2K in overall, and the other small artists. So in relation to Metro Beats, the last day I saw Gagash, Papa Metro Beats and stuff like that. Video I recall like a channel and a link on top comment. Ash Quadunquata Gagash, Quadunquata. I show one. I'm a rush to combat it's a discipline because. As it 24 February, I'm Gagash are live, so if I do, I'll come Samarita. Let's go.
Thank you for the stars, Papa. Papa, I'm Kazan. Now, I'm joining with Queen Muzi. I use Ronald McQueen and after the stars. Namasit. Because I'm network and I common network. I mean, in English. Just want to take a brief Burma Metro Beats. Mutabella, you perform a mall in Asani side, Asani Park Mall. I use. Iko na munta alongside Bakei Chelo, Nigalale Gombo na munta. The network etamina engeti in chumu. That's why you will never do me anything because people believe in Lama Sweet. Ola Metro Beats, Mangudis, Kaverini, and the local Kulu, Namunta for Tuesday. Yeah, Queen. I will only love Metro Beats. We will watch TV. Well, I will go. He lava man, but Lama Sweet suggest that we got this man. We can go. I'm cancer. I take you. You take a look. Fuck. I'm clear with Chinini. I will travel a look cool. China Muluin, Uta Osumula perform Muluin, perform Muluin. For the first time, Namunt, I perform a Muluin as an man. One time, Muna Metro Beats. I never can one other one show and much piece. Way. Baby Sandra. I just music in the Mali. Now buy this thing. There's music in the Mali. If you need a fast, I'm not 5,000, 5,000. Marogika in the night, in Ganashka, in Ganaka. Now, must in Shaka. Man, I'm from Mr. Green. No, I'm Jolana Mandratin, Bisakuma. I was any 1.5. If he. Oh, so.
Ka kitchen Leah, so hi, Maga guys, this again, I guess Metro Beats, I'm gonna say discipline win. I'm gonna buy the Lama Street. You could show what the paradigm, I'm actually not power one, so that video clip. Look, plaga J John unaware. Look after the wash, ignore him. If you could one event, it could go show us Kashi and dog a book or
for 5 months, I love a Kira to geek. The money geek man of Joshua. J John in a gig, Sharon, and what birthday. Indicate, make it. I'm not Steve winning him. I'm not Steve winning him. Call Sharon, the art and beast like a case. And then I'm going to give you. But for lessons, so Mrs. Why I'm being touching. I'm not gonna, I don't want to talk much more. The person who's relevant is this guy. Irrelevant, the Inina. Okay, he has been 2-1-2-1-2-1-2. Otherwise, I'm not going to try. If Babu Yabu, Iri Ilamalia song. Even if we negotiate this much, I don't think it was Steve. Baba decided to go high. It's only Kali. But Mrs. Swire being man touching. No, but if we if look sharp, Sharon, Mutake. They started what I can make her. The guy basking shot to la shop Pomago, Vanwago, Nila, not to a yo. I'm a Kalaka production. I'm the Al, Lalapum, what's the money? Not talking about a gombo, like a meal, Sukala me. It's me. I'm not pleased, boy, my cat is Kuma.
I am so I did Shash Compassin on a Metro Beatsla. I don't like Gagash, social one, and okay, Shinamatimbe show because look, this is how you could suggest it means the what we call on a shona. I will come back to the gates, the Kalash Fana Babarla. Of course swi tiva ku la xi nga kona a nge suggestiwi no suggestiwa hi ku swa swi kota ku va suggest I remember with tigigi to tama tona ta makhadzi leti I remember minkarhi leyi hi tona mi kuma ku makhadzi yo kota ku vulavula na Gagash suggesta hinkwavo va xa makhombo minkarhi leyi I remember these things so xilo na xi na power yo karhi so that is leti ta ku you have to be very very careful swilo leswi endleriwa mali leswi ku endleriwa mali wa hetela yi tluloni hi vo Mazda T ku ri ku ho yi tshame ya ku tirheni i ze hetela yi bana hi ti-expenses so that is ndlela ni mali hambi yi kha yi ta hi 555 yi va yi tele amount yaleyo yi kha yi ta hi 555 because wa hetela yi kota ku hlanganisa swi va kahle yi kota ku va na profit ya kahle hi leswo hayi still bifle ya Gagash koko hi ve hi kha hi twa ku hi va hi kha ya kwinini overall mara koko a na swo bongo ni tshama ni kha ni chela vito but a swi to hi va hi kha kongoma kwini ka ti-prices ta le 17 days mse wa hava ya kamba kha hlasela kha tirhisa mahingani ku ri why ku hi yena xi ri the main artist the biggest ku hi yena let's go
boti mi yin'wana mali mi ta dyela sala tikibeni ma yi nga ndi president mi rhanga phanda mi nga pfuki na siku na peni bafo mi nga pfuki na siku na peni bafo no compare into Blanca a vulavula nonsense n'wana tolo ni ri na yehe a lava ku compare beni na swihlangi there se hi vulavula hi brand swa ku na music wa sweswi wa ti-viewers music wa ti-viewers man na man mi nga compare beni na swihlangi don't do that loko mi nga lava ku vona mi a ni ri mi ni ku mi na vona mi pe mi vulavula ti-service mi ni languta countara ni languta swo talatala swa ku mani risimu ra hi ra nandzika ni languta countareni ku countara yi fambisa ku yini ma languta countara mina loko ni languta ku mi ni ku value countara so ni ku value njhani King Against Man ni lava ni ku nyika mali yo tala ku King Against Man a hi ku penga swilo sweswo then I won't be a good businessman ni ku nyika mali yo tala I King Against Man yo tala a ku phuku swilo sweswo you people think we don't account. Some people think, some artists think we are in a stokvel of giving artists money or giving Bugatti artists. I'm not going to succumb to that kind of cack. I'm not going to succumb to that kind of cack. People, if you want to hate me, Maranti, so the money that comes out of what do you call it, the account here shop, I must account. Okay, uteke mali nge 20,000 ubukete ntlami to karhi why mali yi nga ngenanga u humesa mali ku fika ku nghena mali okay ni humesa mali ni ku nyiki 20,000 ku nghene mali munhu ku nghene 30,000 a ku penga sweswo a vu hlangi sweswo n'wana mi tseki maybe swilo swa ku va xitokofela nje xa ku munhu every time u fane teka mali ni ka ntlami ni teka mali ni ka ntlami doesn't look like I account there munhu wa xikwama tsa ku okay my man you took 30,000 from this shop wakela vanhu vo karhi kumbe you took 10,000 then yi kwihi ti-returns yi kwihi nkaphazinyiko wa ku teka distance munhu u tiva ku swi tsakisele ku buka munhu ko ku teka mali n'wonika swa ku va ku nga ra swa ti-service ta munhu a mi na mhaka na swona a tlhensa ku va yi foke tiboti nyina a tlhensa ku va yi buke swin'wana mi ni bela mavoko swo phunta the business is gonna collapse because at the end of the day ni mali leyi humaka se yi nghenisa mali we account I account so ni fane teka mali ni ka we ivi ti-sales ti kuma mina ni swi na vula na mhlana ni ri lo a ti twa ku matipa a fika a charge mali leyi a lava ku ya mona ni lava 100,000 ni ta ku vekela loko loko ri 100,000 at least I we loko ni ku nyika 100,000 vuya ni expect ku ri fanele u yisa mali u yisa 260 a shopping i fanele 260 loko i nga yi kotanga u nga pheka. That's no problem. You can come there. You could hide. No, no, go healing. I need to pay that guy to come. She wants punch you up like she want a man. Look, they would want Savannah to walk out. Even like come, and I don't come back on a nuclear. Was one look at you. He a man more. You come there and operate. Look, we have 20,000 in Russian. Come, you couldn't go on the sales to from back. We don't have a sponsor there at 17. It's a bit of 70 bread. We don't have anything there. We run it from our own pocket. Establishment thing wanting not the sponsors, so now we don't have that.
Hayi mhaka yale mi le ku yi tweni from Gagash mi le ku yi tweni throw a shade eka xigaza xa ma 2K ku ze a va holosa swinene wa Metro Beats na wa Bliss Boy mi nga ma hleketa nkarhi wun'wana wun'wana ya so swi le ku ideology yi le ku twaneni ku ndeka yena i ku vanhu lava ku hi laha loko se va kha va taka little lifestyle, 17 lifestyle and stuff like that. Ku ya hi ya leswi a hlamusela swona Gagash kwalano swi vula ku a va koti ku va va kha va vuyisa return yo va nga charge ma 20,000 hikuva ni ku it's a free area ku ngheniwa mahala swi fanele ka ti-events maybe ku va ku ri na swilo swa ku hambanahambana swi nga kona no xavisa na mabyala and stuff like that na mathikithi la ku va kha ku depend-iwa ka artist straight ku yi tisa vanhu va njhani ka the area and xana vanhu lava yi taku na yo va xava mabyala na so swa twiseka ku why ka Benny Mayengani ku va kha ku xava ngopfu because it's a brand na swikhulu Benny Mayengani i munhu loyi na loko hi swi vona vhele a nga kusuhana swikhulu vo Hadi Mashava vo Mutsenga so already i fambe line liya so mi kuma ku na vanhu lava attendaka laya ku va ku ri vanhu lava nga na timali tetiya somehow a ni tivi swi njhani but somehow swi ka swi connecta a ni tivi swi njhani it's more like Gagaxinyana yena ni ma swa ku fambafamba na vanhu va mali sort of like ti-position that way so swi endla ku mi kuma ku na ye somehow na vanhu lava va na mali so ka swilo swa yena loko hi lava ku swi langutisa so it's lifestyle after all and stuff like that so hi yo case yako yaleyo so hey I read abo accept mara hako kumana an artist but man ta pfumela mi kha ni teka hambo vi khiteka ti 5 tetiya loko ri awu attenda a Joni ntsena 4 times liya va kha ku negotiate ku va ku bukela oh man come on guys come on la to sa ti 500 rand va ncini ntsena leyin'wana mali yi teka ti vuyela kaya as simple as that so kokwani vhele hi nge hleketi ku fana swilo hi nge swi endli ku fana vhele a ridzi hi nge hleketi ku fana manhu vo loko wa hetela i endle swilo swikulukumba ngopfu as long it's all about ku save loko wo hota ni wo hota munhu swi nge fani loko wo hota until you build a bigger brand and stuff like that
so mi nga fiki laha mi ndzi nga ku vito na akhawunti ho va ka xitokofela xa ku kolota tinqambi mali a ni koloti tinqambi mali nqambi yi fanele yi nghenisa mali na yona ni nga tlakusi ku teka tla mali ni nga teka swintlambani ni tirhisa mina xa ti-via ni nge endli sweswo ma mi twa ku buka munhu la ku va ku teka mali n'wi nyika ku sala business sa fara njhani a mi na mhaka na swona mara for the fact ku ri ni teka mali n'wi nyika hi right
hopefully ubuko lubego hi ambala ku ti-viala okay let's go sorry
okay xitokofela swi chiya I stock of fellowship. We are there to run the business and I account business. Because I'm not going to get 20,000. I will try to go from 20,000 here inside. Kuna batirla, kuna the bouncer to everything. Kuna the cleaner, kuna the run, kuna solution kwash. I didn't even think I was saying to my colleague 30,000 man. So I'm feeling many kuna gas, kuna kutirhisa totala ngopfu lava vanhu va va kha va twa kusuka ka xiteki lava toilet va flasha ka 20 van'wana va swi tolovela van'wana va rhundzela hansi hi ndlela so kind of things we need to keep the business clean swi va ka swi rana hi mali sweswo gezi leri va ka ri rana la gezi va ka ri rana hi mali ti-solution leti ntsena ti ri one letiya gezi leri ti ri dyaku is too much so n'we mi hleketa nga ku mina loko a nga hakeli tinhlampfi vana va mani a ni le ka xitokofela xa ku teka tila mali ni nyiketela tinhlampfi a yi vi reasonable na mina ni kota na loko business ri nga famba kahle ni kota ku swi tiva okay lano at least a hi nga luzangi in that way then I must account ni kota ku hlamula leswi ni nga ta hlamula mara ni ya hlamula njhani ni teka 20,000 ni nyika nhlampfi a ku na mali ni ya account ni kwihi swi lava ku ve ni dye mali se ni fanele holova na boss ya mehe mhaka ku he ni na ku accommodate we nhlampfi wa ku ni tolovela sweswo mara n'wana a hi hloniphaneni and mi nga tirhisi mihleketo nga vi mihleketo ya ku tirhisa swipikarini ntsena tirhisa mihleketo hikuva yi twisaka business iyi the day you understand ku business ri rhanisa ku yini ni ta understand okay kwalaha makaya ku leyi ti tele ngo ti-tavern leti rhanaka laha makaya ti tele ngo ti-tavern leti nga ku rhanini makaya why va nga buki week in week out va nga buka tinhlambi loko va buka va hakerisa you know what it's not an easy thing to do. It's not an easy thing to do. So singajwayelana. Oh, how long kama china loko ni kana ku buka mali leyi ki nga ringezi van'wana va le ku cineni va cinela masofa va le ku tshoveka masofa la fane ku va na maintenance hala van'wana n'wana fa ya habri hala van'wana there is a lot that is happening there
yeah
wena swi languta tihlo ra wena ku ni hakeriwini ni hakeriwini ni hakerini hayi ku faka va na vanhu ejiki tlhela ku loko ve ku hami ta ndlela transport right ya kwi transport mali yini it's all about phela if loko ti ri ntlhambi buku ndhawu yi fika yi nga tani nawe i phati ya ku feyila loko ya hayi mina ntsena ni feyila hi vona i phati ya vanhu va lava nga feyila because the game is not wa vona i ku hola mara nothing is happening nga tolovela ku fika kwalaho nga tolovela ku fika kwalaho vona ngopfu ngi combine more hlangana ni fuck on fine sibancane xifantani na tima xifantani xitima lexi loko kwi ni phala nomunhu at the end of the day we need money to do this shit and look fame without money is useless say it after me fame without money is
useless yeah sure
say it again after me fame without social useless mina ta mi nyika example because ma vona sweswi mi ta ku meni mkhondo na ku vanhu ava chipi and I'm not saying va chipi nga ku nyika example hi malume Khali na Omega trust me people malume Khali na a ni ri va chipping they are reasonable their prices are very reasonable same applies to that boy Ruza
hayi tsema network hayi xitweni gagash xitwarini so mhaka leyi simple ni twa yi ri I meant to say 17 ni twa yi ri simple ngopfu loko ri wona wa swi vona ku loko i yele a wu biringi makete ya vanhu lava kota ku xama tibodlele a swi nga prasi fike ve kha yi tole because i ndhawu leyi ngheniwaku free or munhu a nga yi and phela the issue yeleyo ku i nga yi ti-artist tshama kha ti-image ku tata yin'wana artist phela swilo leswi loko khe hi langutisa tshama kha ti cincacinca ti-artist tshama kha ti cincacinca hi nga nyika ti-example like tshama kha ti cincacinca in overall mhaka leyiwa no vulavula kwale 17 like the resident artists there tshama kha ti cincacinca na tona and ta ha to cinca because ku tshama kha ku image ya new talent ni swi voneni va ku va ve kona vo Black Mamba kwale ve kona vo Mozi ve kona vo Shama Khombo swi kha swi jikajika nyana swi swa swi vona vo Ruza na va kona like swi tshama swi ri ku cincaciceni ve kona vo Papa Rilani ve kona nkarhi wa yona na swimari a ku ta ka ha ri nkarhi wa yona ko kwale ko munhu wo bayaza na n'wi ta yena na mara na ku lembe leri i le ku cincaceni ngopfu gagashi nge vuli ku ni nga ku ni vona a resident artist there maybe ni twi na ku maybe i fambisana ngopfu na Metro Beats hi ya nga vuya swona ku hey mali ya laveka ni nga ku ri Metro Beats maybe for now maybe I'm not really sure anze ni vona a resident artist so far but leswo guys or Shama Khombo still okay swilungheni u nga ri yona leyi but it's fine maybe ngo Metro for now hi leswi loko ri amukeza swi ska bana kombela mi tlika subscribe
Don't give up on me Tamela khleke tiwe loko a wu swi tiva swi nga mbilwini ya mina loko a swi koteka ni ta ve fambi ka doctor ni pfula u ta vona swi nga ndleni ka mina Tamela khleke tiwe loko a wu swi tiva swi nga mbilwini ya mina loko a swi koteka ni ta ve fambi ka doctor ni pfula u ta vona swi nga ndleni ka mina Kaneti I'm not perfect Tell me how this is worth it Yo Kaneti I'm not perfect Like 10 besides this is worth it So don't give up on me Unga girl, baby, come here Don't give up on me